Hello, guys. This is Emmanuel McDonald's, and I'm so happy to come your way once again today. It's been quite a while since I published a free strategy video like this. It's been a while. It's been like 3 weeks or more, and the reason is because we've been on our live boot camps. It's been amazing, guys. The boot camp was so powerful. The students were amazed at the depth, of the revelation and the insight. As you can see, I posted a screenshot earlier of some of them, that we are taking trades, sniper trades that, things that they couldn't do before. This is not just catching spikes and all that. They were able to take trades almost at where the reversals were happening. This is the things that are the secrets, that we teach inside the bootcamp. So if you're yet to subscribe for our June bootcamp, the June bootcamp doors for our June bootcamp is actually open, and I think currently we have about 25 or 26 slots still available. So please, if you're serious, you want to make money, you want to be part of the bootcamp, you want to learn, you want to really learn how we are able to turn pennies into millions, into literally printing dollars every single day. Okay, subscribe for the bootcamp. Okay, now I've done something very special, guys. Now the bootcamp, the normal price of the bootcamp is about 772,000 naira. That's about $1,800. Okay, that's quite a lot of money. Okay, but I've done something for you guys to be able to help as much as many of you as possible. Be able to get the education that you want concerning, the right education, the right trade education. Okay, so I've been able to reduce it. Last time we collected only $240 for our students, okay, who subscribed. So I've decided to keep it at that $240, okay, and every other parameter that is involved. Okay, and again, the good thing is that you can also pay twice. Okay, we have a payment plan for those of you that cannot be able to pay all of the subscription fee immediately. You can pay twice. Okay, the plan is still available, but it comes with around 7.5% interest. So you should bear that in mind. Okay, so there's no reason for you not to be part of the bootcamp, not to join, not to learn. There's no reason for you to not be part of it. So even if you have joined our Dirty December program, you need to be part of the bootcamp. You need to learn this for yourself. Okay, you need to learn it for yourself. The PAM program is not going to be available every day. Okay, but so this is the reason why you need to learn this strategy for yourself. Okay, all right. So without much ado, okay, before I actually venture into the strategy, into the charts, and start talking about how this thing works, I need to talk a little bit about our Dirty December program. I remember last week or so, I got a lot of messages, from people that are salaried and people that are, a lot of you actually, asking me for extension for this or that. And as you know, I can only allow a limited number of people because I didn't want to have, an out of control number of people, when you have too many people and goes beyond what you can control. But I still keep getting, it seems people keep joining our channel every day. People keep becoming members, and when they come in, they see this, they want to be part of it. So it would be unreasonable for me to deny people that are actually joining us newly, to not be part of what we are doing, to also become blessed by December. So we're going to have a second batch. We're going to have a batch 2 for the Dirty December program. Okay, I'm going to make further announcement concerning it around the weekend. Okay, but it's going to be limited. It's not going to be we're not going to have as much people, in the first batch that we have, because of I need to keep this thing to a sizable number. Okay, so it is important. So if you are still not if you've still not been able to join us, there will be a batch 2. But it's not going to be the same, okay, with the batch 1. This is me creating an opportunity. It's not going to be the same. I'm going to take a very little amount of people for that, okay? So if you're still yet to join the batch 1, if you want to join the batch 1, and I made a promise to you, you can. Today is Tuesday. You're watching this is probably on Wednesday. Okay, so you have from now till Friday. You can still join the batch 1 from now till Friday. Okay, the batch 1 is starting next week. So I'm going to make an announcement concerning the batch 2 later within the week, maybe on Friday or Saturday or so. Okay, so you can still join the batch one. We are starting next week, and you can be on time. All right, without wasting much of your time, let us get into this strategy today. Okay, let's get into it. All right. All right. Okay, let's get into it. Before I go ahead, I need to make this important disclaimer. Okay, trading forex, trading synthetic indices, cryptocurrencies, and all forms of leveraged products carry enormous risks. Okay, so please, at all times, do not trade or invest money you cannot afford to lose. Past performance of any trading system, any trading program, trading strategy, or indicator, or whatever, is not indicative of future results. So please, at all times, do not trade or invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so the strategy I'm about to teach you today, guys, it will make you money. Believe me, it's going to make you, like always, everything I've taught you, if you've watched all our free strategies, from the one I taught you, the Bollinger Band strategy, to every single one of them, I can't even remember their names again. Every single one of them, you will notice that they are money makers. They are heavy money makers. They're actually heavy hitters. Okay, every single one of them. So as long as you follow, you stick by the rules, as long as you don't, go there and start doing your own thing, you're going to make money. I guarantee that one. You're going to make money as long as you stick to the rules. Okay. As long as you stick to the rules, you're going to make money. Now, am I saying you're not going to lose? You're going to lose sometimes. It's a free strategy. Okay. If you want something bigger and better, you know what to do. You sign up for our bootcamp. Okay. All right. So what is this strategy and how does it work? Now, this strategy requires just two special indicators, actually three special indicators. One of them is not an indicator per se, but it requires two special indicators. Okay. So for this strategy, we're going to be needing to change our candle patterns from normal candlestick to Hakinashi. Let me remove this. Move from your normal candlestick pattern to Hakinashi candle. Okay. So this is the Hakinashi candle. Let me zoom in. So we have the Hakinashi candle here. Okay. So this is just the only other thing that we are adding apart from the two special indicators I talked about. The Hakinashi candle is the only other thing that we are adding. Okay. So it's actually a special kind of indicator. Okay. So you notice that there's a difference between your normal candlestick and the Hakinashi candle. Look at it. This is your normal candlestick here. You see the way it is. Okay. So this is the Hakinashi candle. See, there's a difference. Okay. All right. So let's get to the indicators. Now we require two special indicators. The first indicator we need is our signal indicator. This is the indicator that gives us a buy or sell signal. Okay. Then the second indicator that we're going to be using is a confirmation indicator. Now, the reason why I like to trade with confirmations is that a lot of times you get false signals, you get false alerts and all that. You need to be sure that the market is going your direction. You understand? You need to be sure of it that the market is going your direction before you place a trade. That way you eliminate false signals, you eliminate fake outs in the market and all that. So you need to be able to understand that you cannot just trade with either of them separately. You need to use the two of them together with the Hakinashi candlestick patterns and all that to be able to make money with this. Okay, so let's get to the indicators. The first indicator that we're going to be adding is our signal indicator, which is now for the sake of this, I'm just going to be using trading view. So I advise you, if you want to use this strategy, you need to familiarize yourself with trading view. Okay, you need to familiarize yourself with trading view. Learn how trading view works. If you don't know how it works, there are lots of videos on YouTube that teaches you how to use trading view. Okay, so you go and learn it, and I believe it's going to help you a lot. Okay, so again, like I always say, every strategy I teach you will work on forex, will work on crypto. So it doesn't matter whether you trade forex, indices, or crypto, it will work. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's add our first signal indicator, which is the chandelier exit. Sorry, chandelier. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, this is the one from Everget. Okay, the chandelier exit from Evergate. That's the one we are going to be adding. Okay, so you click on it, and then it is added on your charts. So for this indicator, we need to make a little bit of adjustments. Okay, we need to make adjustments on the indicator. As you can see here, you have a buy signal, you have a sell signal, and also a buy signal and all that. This is actually a trend following indicator. Okay, it's actually a trend following indicator. You know, the last strategy I taught you on the Dirty December video is actually a trend following indicator. And that one was a very powerful one. I've gotten lots and lots and lots of testimonies from people, you know, regarding the profits and the amazing power of that particular strategy. Okay, so you're also going to make a lot of money. I'm expecting your testimonies, guys, you know, from this one. Okay, so we're going to make a little bit of adjustments on this. So we're going to go to the settings. This is where you go. You see the settings. You're looking at my mouse. You click on settings, and then it appears. So the first thing we're going to change is the input. Okay, so we'll change the ATR period from 22 to 1, and the ATR multiplier, we change it from 3 to 2. Okay, and then for the style, now please, you need to get this very right. You're changing your ATR period is going to, you place it to 1, your ATR multiplier, you place it on 2. Okay, then we'll go to our style. Okay, so now we want to remove everything here except the buy label and the sell label. These are, we don't need the other ones. We will simply need the buy and sell labels. Okay, so we're going to, you know, remove everything from every single one of them, because we do not need them. Okay, now we want to make our buy signal and our sell signal very close to, you know, the bar. So put it above the bar. Okay, that's for the buy. Sorry, that's for the the bar. The buy signal should be below the bar. Rather, forgive me, should be below the bar. Okay, then the sell signal should be above, right above the bar. Okay, and that is all. That is it for this. Okay, and you click on OK. So you notice that your signal is just right above the above your sell signal here is right above the bar. Same thing here, the same thing here. Okay. So we put our confirmation indicator. Now this is our signal indicator. This signals buy or sell trade. Okay. Signals a buy or sell trade. You can see in various places. It signals this. If you took a sell here, you would have been in this trade down. This would have made you a lot of money. I've made a lot of money on this. Okay, so that is how to use this. Okay, so we're going to now add our confirmation indicator. Okay, you come to indicators, and then we're adding the ZLSMA. That's called the zero lag SMA indicator. Okay, the ZLSMA. Okay, we're adding the one from very few. Okay, the one from very few here. So look at it here. This is the first one here. That's the one we are adding. So click on it, and then you're good to go. All right. So we need to make some other adjustments to the ZLSMA. So we come to here, click on your settings. Okay. So first of all, we'll go to the input. Okay. And on our input, we change the length from 32 to 50. Okay. And then on our style, I like to leave it, you know, with the same color. You can change it to any color you like. Okay, you can change it to any color you like. Anyone that is preferable to you, you can apply. Okay, let's just change it to white. Okay, white is okay too. So we leave it on white. Okay, so we click on OK, and we are good to go. We are good to go, guys. Okay, we're good to go. So let me remove this. All right. Okay, so let's zoom this a little. Let's backtest this a little. You know, you're gonna get fake outs. You're gonna get so you need to. This is why you need a confirmation indicator to be able to know when you are buying and when you are selling. Okay. Now, for a sell parameter, I think I should write it down. For a sell parameter, you must get your chandelier exit must signal a sell. Okay, the chandelier exit must signal a sell. Chandelier exit must signal a sell. Okay, you must have a sell. This is for your sell parameter. Then your ZLSMA must be above price. ZLSMA must be above price. Okay, these are the two criteria. Okay, so you notice in this case, we have a signal here. The chandelier exit signals a sell, and then we have the ZLSMA that is currently above price. Okay, so we place a sell here. You made your entry. Okay, you notice that here you get a this is a fake buy. Notice that when this happened, price was still the ZLSMA was still above price. Okay, when you got this signal here, it was still above price, so there was no reason for you to take this entry. You notice that price continued going down. You stayed in the trade, and until the ZLSMA now went below price. Okay, so for your sell signal, like I said earlier, the chandelier exit must signal a sell. In this case, you have that. Okay, price must be below. Sorry, the ZLSMA must be above price. Okay, the same case here, you have a signal, sell signal here, and everything, your parameter was made, and then you were, in this trade. Now, all the same, you have a situation where the market was, ranging sideways. Okay, let's look for a buy scenario. Sorry, let's look for a buy scenario. Okay, now for a buy scenario, look at in this case right now. For a buy scenario, your chandelier exit must signal a buy. Your chandelier exit must signal a buy. And then your ZLSMA must be below price. That is your confirmation that price is, the market is buying. Okay, this is, for instance, here you get let me zoom in. Okay, you get confirmation for a buy. This was where the candle that gave you that confirmation. You notice that the price here was above, and you notice that this candle was below it. Okay, it was below the candle, it was below price. When price was above, the chandelier was below. Even though it was still within the corner, okay, you could have still taken a look at the perfect example here. You notice that the buy was placed. This was clearly above price, and you made an entry. Okay, you would have still stayed in this trade because this was a fake sell. You have still held on, except probably when you got this. You understand? But then the market keeps ranging. Okay, so this is not a trade. Now, if you watched the Dirty December video, you're going to learn how to avoid situations like this where the market is. Now, this is on the cryptocurrency market. I think I should maybe try this on the forex market, and let's see what it gives us. Let's see what it gives us. Let's try this. Okay, you see, sometimes that these are you get situations like this that the market is you can even try it on the 15 minutes time frame. This is on the 5 minutes time frame where you're going to have a lot of noise. Okay, you're going to have a lot of noise, a lot of intraday noise. Okay, got a buy here. You'd have stayed in this trade, you understand, up till this area here. You'd have stayed up till here. You understand? So you keep following the strategy, the system, you're going to make money. Now, you're going to have some losses too. I'm not going to pretend and tell you, oh, this is not going to, this is going to, make you $1 million tomorrow. But no, it's going to make you decent, some decent returns. It's going to give you some decent returns, especially when the market is trending. Okay. Now, like again, if you want to learn how to follow the trend and not be in situations where the market is ranging and you're having scenarios like this, that price is just moving up and upside and downside and sideways like that, watch that Dirty December video. Is going to expose how we do it, how we stay away from ranging markets, ranging situations. You're going to learn it, and it's going to help you a lot. So here you had a buy signal, you stayed in the trade and you made money. You got another buy here, you stayed in the trade, you made money. You got a sell, okay? You stayed in the trade, you made money. You got a buy, you stayed in the trade, you stayed, there was no confirm sell, you were still in the trade, you know, up till here. You sold, you sold, made a little money, then you maybe had a little loss because this move would have taken you out. Okay, you stayed and you made money. Now, how do you place your stop loss? Placing your stop loss is simple. In this case, for instance, here, you notice that you got in on this candle, your stop loss would be below here, where that is below these lows here. That's the natural place to place your stop loss, below here. Okay, so you don't need the prophet to tell you that your stop loss should be below here if your entry is here. So you stayed in this trade until here, you took a sell. Okay, your stop loss is above here, you stayed in the trade and market kept going down until here, you took a buy, your stop loss below here, okay, and you stayed in the trade till around here, okay, you took a sell, your stop loss above there, okay, until probably around here. Now you'd have gotten out with probably break even or so, your stop loss below here, and you stayed in the trade and rode the trade up to this area. You had a sell, you stop loss above, stayed in the trade, up till here. Okay, this is a valid signal because you notice that price is below. So you took a buy and probably would have maybe not lost money, but then this is too far for me. Personally, I wouldn't take this trade because of the distance on the stop loss. Okay, you took another buy here, you had your stop loss below, and then, sideways markets, but eventually the markets began to move. So you're going to make money with this. I'm not going to promise you that you're going to make $1 million overnight. No, but you're going to make sure if you're consistent with this, you can make a lot of money with it. So I'm going to stop here, guys. And I will encourage you, remember to join us on the boot camp. The boot camp is something you cannot afford to miss. Believe me, the things that we teach in the boot camp, you will never hear them anywhere. You cannot see them on YouTube. You will not see them anywhere. This is a place where you will learn secrets that even your forex trading guru does not know exist. Okay, access is open. Okay, access is open. It's $240 to join us. It's going to you're going to get a lot. You're going to get access to the live trading floor. You're going to get access to VST Go 2.0. Then the live 5 days bootcamp as well. So it's a lot that you're getting. Okay, and then believe me, the 5 days bootcamp is an eye opener. Those of them that just went through it now, they will tell you that it was amazing. It was great. It was the best. I got a message today. Someone saying that it was the best trading class he has ever attended. The best. The period was the best. The best training he has ever had was during these live, boot camps. Okay, you're going to get a lot. You're going to learn a lot. Okay, so I look forward to having you guys on board. Remember, we're going to have it. Batch 2 for our Dirty December program. I'm going to be announcing it within the week. And the first batch, they are beginning the program is starting, the trading is starting from next week. So if you still want to join us, you have from now till Friday to join us. If you're serious, you want to be part of the Dirty December event, you want to join the first batch, you have from now. Today is Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when you're watching this. So you have from now till Friday to join us, because after Friday, you're going to be now added to the second batch. And that will be starting around July, okay, around ending of June and July. So you need to make sure, if you're serious, you want to be fast, you want to be part of the first batch. Now, all of the groups are going to end at the same time. They're going to end by December, okay? So guys, thank you very much for your time. I look forward to having you guys on board. We'll talk again soon. And thank you very much. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed on this YouTube channel, guys, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, it won't take you much. It won't take you much to click the like button or the subscribe button. It will not take anything away from you. Okay, it will help a lot of people see this video, to help them to learn from this video and also make money from this video. Okay, so guys, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time, and have a pleasant day ahead of you. Bye-bye.